Tired of aching knees, stiff hips, or cracking joints? You don't have to live in pain. Your joints can heal naturally. A client of mine could barely walk without pain. Doctors said her cartilage was worn out, but we didn't stop there. With the right nutrients and a natural anti-inflammatory plan, she started moving freely again in just weeks. Cartilage doesn't have a strong blood supply, so healing takes strategy. You need nutrients like collagen, MSM, glucosamine, chondroitin, plus natural anti-inflammatories like turmeric and boswellia. These rebuild cushioning and reduce swelling at the root. If you've been told cartilage can't grow back, don't buy it. The body can regenerate joint tissue when it's properly supported, especially when you remove foods that cause inflammation. You're not stuck relying on painkillers or surgery. Nature gives you everything you need to reboot your joints, improve flexibility, and move without pain. Do you want to rebuild your joints, move with freedom, and ditch the daily pain? Book your free 30-minute consultation now and get a personalized plan